The armorer on the Rust movie set where a gun went off, killing the film's cinematographer, wants her conviction overturned and her case dismissed. This after actor Alec Baldwin's case was dismissed on Friday with prejudice. News 13's Marilyn Upchurch has more from Hannah Gutierrez's attorneys.
Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted.
Judge Mary Marlowe Summer dismissed Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter trial on Friday after the defense said critical evidence was left out of the case. They say ammunition turned into the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office was never properly tested.
The fact that they put it under a separate document number, didn't disclose the supplemental report, didn't disclose the bullets, didn't bring them to the April 6th evidentiary viewing. If it was that irrelevant, it had no evidentiary value, it would have been there.
The state said the ammunition was not relevant.
You can tell from looking at it. It has a different projectile shape. That's not the same projectile shape.
In June, Hannah Gutierrez's attorney filed a motion to release the Rust armorer from prison after she was found guilty of involuntary manslaughter in March. They say the state withheld evidence that would have resulted in a different outcome in her trial. They say a firearms report was never provided to them, which they say shows there was damage to the firearm used in the shooting other than what happened due to FBI testing, which damaged the gun. In 2021, Baldwin was holding a gun that had a live round in it on the set of Rust, killing cinematographer Helena Hutchins. Baldwin has said he did not pull the trigger. Just before the judge made the decision to dismiss Alec Baldwin's case with prejudice, Special Prosecutor Erlinda Ocampo Johnson left the case.
I believe that there was evidence to support the charge, even beyond a reasonable doubt. But the question and the issue at the end was a failure to disclose. Whether inadvertent or not, there was a failure to disclose.
The prosecutor in the case said she respects Johnson's opinion but disagrees with it.
She and I had a disagreement about whether the case should just be dismissed without a public hearing. She wanted to dismiss it without a public hearing, and I believed that we owed it to the public, certainly to the citizens of New Mexico, to have a public hearing.
Marilyn Upchurch, KRQE, News 13.
Gutierrez's attorney, Jason Bowles, tells KRQE they are filing another motion this week. He says they will be filing a motion to dismiss or for a new trial.